Yeah, it came out in 2002, so this song is 23 fucking years old. That's crazy. Did you have the album back then? Did you have this record? Did you listen to it? Did you know it? Because maybe, you know, you played it so much in your bedroom, your parents were like, oh, so you gotta turn that off. It's too much. You listen to it all the time. And then you said, you know what, I love this song. I love this band. I love The Offspring. I love Simple Plan. I love all these bands. It's who I am. And your parents probably said like, oh, it's just a phase, don't worry. No way, Mom and Dad, it was never a phase! See, we're still here. So if you know this song, please, help me. Sing it with me. Are you ready? Are you ready? Here we go. I woke up, it was 7. I waited till 11 just to... I think I've got a lot of friends, but what's another night all alone when you're spending every day alone? And here it goes. Well, that one hurt. But you know what, though? I think I said every night's the worst night ever. I don't think so. Not tonight. Not with The Offspring, Simple Plan, all these beautiful people. This is the best night ever! Hey, give it up for our drummer, Chuck Como! Hey, what are you doing here?
Sorry, Pierre. I just had to come take a closer look at all these people in Rod Laver Arena tonight.
Look at all these people. We should take a picture with this crowd and put it. I want to put this in my bedroom.
Yes, we should.
Everybody, put your hands up or get up on somebody's shoulders. Let's take a picture with this whole crowd here. I want to remember this forever. You guys ready? Let's do it. Here we go. Everybody, you ready?
Let's go!
Oh, more people up. There you go. There's Scooby. Hi. I love you too. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3.
There you go. Wow.
That was beautiful. Thank you very much. Oh, look at you up there. You like it?
Pierre, sorry, I had to take over. It's, what are they saying?
They're saying shoey. You want to drink a beer out of a shoe? I'm good.
Should I?
Oh, Chuck wants to do a shoey.
Who's got a beer?
You need a beer.
Let's do it. Hey, you know what, Pierre? I know you love playing drums. It's your birthday tomorrow.
It's my birthday tomorrow.
Yeah.
Can I be the drummer?
I'm gonna give you a gift.
Okay,
you get to be the drummer.
Thank you.
I get to be the lead singer. Ron brought the beer, so I'm putting it back. All right, hey, listen. I'm not gonna sing. I'm not gonna do drive you crazy, but I want to do one special thing.